thohaningdaba thoktanaba kyam maram hona record leirabusi adum thoktuna leibasi lebak thibiri miyam gidamakta community amama gi wasunata sibana ba thokpa violence habisidi loina mangjaba khaktani aduna akhoi leaders ama oina so khoi tokam thokko togni moro oibadi public miyam si bhab tafam thoi community amana blame tobna aroi roi asina solution pura ko dosunate aduna mayam pullaga sigumde thokpa yadi hana masamsa ge khunda masamsa ge community da masamsa ge area da control tona banatana sipaina police na sigumba se loina thingba ngamde maramde public ne yam government na we all condemn this kind of heinous crime whoever committed the government is taking all steps to bring the culprit into the. We share the sorrow and grievances of the victim families of all the communities, whoever has been affected or whoever has been killed. What happened in jaojangtek last night around 6:30, we came to know that the person who is here, who has been performed post-mortem, has been killed and 2 others injured. We strongly condemn this kind of act, and from the Naga Legislatures Forum, we have given a press release yesterday regarding the ambush that took place near Scotland and the incident that took place near Dolang and jaojangtek. So we strongly condemn. We will not allow this kind of crime to continue in our state. I appeal to all the publics, all the community leaders, all the church leaders to come together to fight against this kind of unlawful crime, unlawful activities. Thank you.
Sir, as the incident,
I can't comment who is responsible for the ambush that took place near jaojangtek, but soon I think we will come to know
and sir,
that the proper authority will take a decision. I think it's not proper for me to announce about it, but government is doing all out.
and sir, one last question. Sir, yesterday about
It is unfortunate that some innocent civilians are being detained at in different places.
So are they
We
released
appeal to the church leaders to release those innocent people unharmed. The government also doing all out to rescue them. Yeah. Whatever happens, government will do its duty. Be it Meitei, Kuki, be it Kuki, Naga. Government is for all, and government will do whatever it can.
sir, how's about the
अखोई public leader होना public के अवाब से पूमने responsibility government अमा हुए government ने सुतो फंड तो नहीं लेबक थीबदी अखोई थोहनिंग दबा थोक्तनबा क्या मरम होना record ले रहा है अदुम थोक्तुना लेबसी लेबक थीबदी मियाम की तमकता community अमा की वासुनता सीबना अब थोकवा violence हाबिसिदे लोइना मंगजबा खक्तनी अदुना अखोई leaders ama oina so khoi tokam thokko togni moro oibadi public miyam si bhab tafam thoi community amana blame tobna roi asina solution pura ko dosunate aduna miyam pullaga sigumde thokpa yadi hana masamsa ge khunda masamsa ge community da masamsa ge area da control tona banatana sipaina police na sigumba se loina thingba ngamde maramde public ne yam government na to from thokpadi haubadi ngasi fawa tawle mi amsu khangi bidi adubo public cooperation se yang muru yana hai
Sir, this kind of how you do it, only thoudok like
hozik fawa thoudok ki boundary leitri adubo civil society ke level da government ke level da of honor release tawna detain to ki mi community amama we so siguma civilian sing innocent public sing di din to phasi chumde aduna mayam na bahap taminaraga public miyam changya haraga si innocent lives in release to na save to na ba rescue to na ba hona si ana kana bana
ngange musi
ayuki thoudok toga nungdinda
hojik te haibiding amde adugo khanglakani hojik kana na tawbuno kana ne most tawbuno responsibility de kana da ta do no haibisi de khanglakani but hojik oina di asinani haibisi kha certainty de late
So question am tala.
apoi government of India da home ministry da apoi government side de asi ethnic class hagadra lebak thibasi mo hek thuk kodagi apoi appeal tawjabagi center na su angama meeting security tharagani konore lai hoje makha tana khanghodna hek da thokuna le government khoi honorable chief minister na tawkham thokudi tawduna le adubu aina hanjin haining badi manipur da paliba prajapuna akhoi bahap taminaraga nungsinaba uraktari phobadi amana amabu yengthiba amana amabu suspect tawduna le radi sigumba thoudok si loibana waga dabde for public adu public bahap tapam to local resource mutung inade border cross tora lakni border cross toraga ako India manung da chanba khun asida no makeup sinba aduga yumai thaba asidi cross border to na external aggression habita kesu soi kesu landa braina lo